Welcome to the Peppertown Playground YouTube channel. We're a family-run business located in Virginia, Queensland, and we design, manufacture and sell playground equipment and accessories. We stock playground kits, swings, monkey bars, slides, zip lines, trampolines, pool slides and a massive range of accessories such as steering wheels, telescopes, trapeze bars, rock wall holds, scramble nets, ninja obstacle gear and a huge range of pool floats and toys, as well as special needs play equipment and so much more. For the DIY enthusiasts, we have playground parts and panels, log hardware and swing hangers, fiberglass materials, and chain and rope in a variety of colours and sizes. If you're in the Brisbane area, stop by our showroom. We have fully built sky forts and ninja forts on display, and we're always ready to have a chat about your requirements. Don't forget to pop upstairs when you're here, as we have kayaks and canoes, as well as spare parts and accessories. We're located at 1908 Sandgate Road, Virginia, and we're open Monday to Saturday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Otherwise, check out our website, our online store, and our eBay store using the links on our YouTube channel homepage.